Maya Jama twerked until the early hours at her boozy Halloween bash, with her own McDonald's restaurant. The TV presenter pulled out the stops to give her star-studded crowd a night to remember. Maya, 27, looked sensational dressed a gold bikini top as Medusa. A source said, Maya was the hostess with the mostess. Once the drinks were flowing, she was straight to the decks with her DJ, twerking for her guests who were up on the tables cheering her on. Maya made sure everyone's bellies were full. They couldn't believe it when they arrived to see she had laid on her very own McDonald's restaurant for them called Maya's Mickey D's. There were chicken nuggets everywhere. What a treat. Maya looked completely unrecognizable as she hosted her annual Halloween party. The tally presenter smoldered on the red carpet dressed as Medusa, complete with gold bra and thigh skirt. Maya completed the look with a dirty blonde wig and gold makeup on her face, including blue contacts. In her hair was an elaborate gold headband complete with twirling snakes and her forehead painted to match a snake's skin. She posed cheekily for the cameras and twirled her skirt to reveal matching gold underwear and knee-high Greco-inspired gold-heeled sandals. Medusa is the ancient Greek mythological character who had live snakes in her hair and could turn a man into stone by looking at him. The TV star hosts a huge star-studded Halloween party every year, with new-it couple Megan Barton Hansen and James Locke in attendance, dressed as Julia Roberts and Richard Gere in their famous film, Pretty Woman. Maya always pulls out the stops and previously has dressed as Catwoman and Jessica Rabbit.